It's Quest Nutrition Network. We're back again with a fantastic episode for you guys. And we got Serena back again.
Back again.
Welcome back, Serena.
Thank you so much, Quest.
It's always a pleasure to have you here because once you're here, I know I'm going to be eating something real tasty and good. That's real good for me.
Absolutely.
So this is very, very good. Now today we have, I'm excited about this, we have soup.
Yes, we have soups. Healthy soups.
Healthy soups, healthy tasting soups.
Yeah.
And you're going to show us how to put these soups together.
Absolutely.
You're going to show us how easy they are.
Simple.
Even though we have no clue what we're doing, we're putting together a good tasting soup. You're going to walk us through step by step. Listen, you know, sometimes I get a little slow. You got to walk me through each step because I don't want to mess up.
No, yeah, it's fine. So the two soups that we have today are, one is a salmon and sweet potato soup.
Okay.
Interesting, I know. And the second soup is a chicken and tomato vegetable soup.
Okay.
Delicious. And you know, just in case, like, you know, it's good if you're in the mood just to have soup, something light, something healthy, or if your immune system is down, get it back up with these great boosting antioxidant flavors and benefits.
Yeah, that would be, you know, it's ideal to have soup.
Yes.
You know, as you mentioned, to get your immune system back up.
Yep.
You know, if somebody's suffering from the flu or something like that,
Yeah.
or, you know, got some type of ailment that's got them knocked out.
Yeah.
You know, it's always good to have good tasting soups, something that's light, liquidy, get into your body, it's warm. So let's get into this.
So, and then over here, we're just gonna add some garlic, because you know, garlic gives tons of flavor. Next, we're gonna add our sliced celery. Next, I'm adding some tomatoes.
Okay.
Okay.
Tomatoes are a vegetable that is high in lycopene. Lycopene is what gives the tomato its coloring. And lycopene, the studies show that it's great for cholesterol lowering effects.
Tons of benefits, tons of benefits. And next we're gonna add just a little bit of chili pepper flakes, you know?
Okay.
My apple cider vinegar. I gotta make a name for that.
We got a little bit tongue-tied. Yeah.
ACV.
So we're gonna put two capfuls.
2 capsules of the apple cider vinegar. While that's sauteing, in our rear, we're gonna get a little bit of EVOO at the bottom of this space back here.
Okay.
And for our second soup, as I mentioned before, it's actually a sweet potato and salmon soup. So again, I'm just gonna base it with a little bit of EVOO. Extra virgin olive oil. I'm gonna do a little bit of garlic, just to get the flavors going nice in there.
Half a teaspoon.
That's about a teaspoon of garlic.
Okay.
I really like the flavor that garlic gives.
Yes.
Next, I'm gonna add a little bit of ginger, chopped ginger.
Okay.
Next, a little bit of crushed pepper flakes, about 1/4 teaspoon.
Okay.
And then now I'm gonna add my carrots, which I already have pre-chopped. We're just sauteing our carrots back here, you know. It smells so good.
Oh,
next, we're gonna add a little bit of kale to our back pot back here.
We can't go wrong with the kale.
You can't go wrong with the kale.
Cannot.
Never go wrong.
It is a certified superfood with tons of phytonutrients.
Just a little bit, that's all. And then for our actual, we have a little bit of tomatoes that we're gonna add in here as well. Cherry tomatoes. Get those in there. It's gonna be a nice soup. And here our front where we have our celery going along with our tomatoes, and it's just taking on all that beautiful flavor. And then now for our front one, we're just gonna add our tomato base, which is just tomatoes, some carrots, chicken, and the broth that's been sitting in. So we're just gonna pour that in here.
Okay.
And we can let that simmer
Now this is going to take how long to
simmer
get it,
and do its thing?
To get it right.
I would say about 15 minutes.
15 minutes.
15 minutes.
Okay, all right.
Next, we have already our base for our salmon potato soup. Again, we have the salmon in here, the sweet potatoes, carrots, a little bit of EVOO, and my broth.
Very nice. Sweet potatoes also contain fiber. They're very high in fiber, so we're getting those health benefits from the fiber.
Because you really want this to come to a semi-boil. And you see all those bright colors in there.
Oh yeah, we've got a mixture of different combinations of colorings, and that only means one thing. You're getting lots of nutrients in here.
Absolutely.
So we're going to let this get nice and simmered up, and afterwards we're going to taste it.
Absolutely.
So can't wait to try it.
Can't wait.
All right, so in a few minutes. All right. Now we're back and we've got these amazing soups here, Serena. They smell good. They look good. All right. You've put these two together so eloquently. And these are filled with nothing but nutrients, vitamins.
Yes.
All right. There is nothing that there's nothing about this that took a long time. This was very, very simple.
It was very simple, very easy. You know, just a matter of gathering all your ingredients together and making sure that everything is pre-portioned, pre-cooked. Not pre-cooked, pre-portioned, pre-cut.
So on and so forth.
Yes.
Okay.
And so when you have all of your ingredients together, it's just a matter of combining them all together. You know, making sure you have a good base for your soup, starting off with your extra virgin olive oil, your garlic, your ginger, your spices, and then from there you just put all the rest of your ingredients in and your liquid, and you have a beautiful soup.
Absolutely. And whether you're a soup lover or you're somebody that's not feeling all that great and you want something that's light, this is something that's for you. All right, and we've already walked through all the steps on how easy it is to prepare.
Absolutely.
You know the nutrient content of this.
Yep.
And this has been great. Serena, thank you very much.
Thank you so much for having me again, Quest. It's been a pleasure. It's been an honor.
All right, so we will do this again.
Absolutely.
All right? And once again, thank you for tuning in to Quest Nutrition Network, where you're going to continue to find nothing but the best in health and nutrition information. Stay tuned. Take care and peace.